and get n, where n is the number of strips in the area of under the curve. N will most probably be given, and so what we ultimately want to find is h. H equals to b minus a over n, where b and a are our limits of integration and n number of strips. Later, I will show you how to derive this clearly through an example. Okay, can. Say example 1. We integrate upper limit 1, 0 limit root 1 minus x cubed dx n equals to 4. Normally in your questions, then n will be given. Okay. First, after given the question, first our ultimate thing is to find h, height, where h equals to b minus a over n. This is your b, this is your a, and this is n. And so we substitute in the values 1 minus 0 divided by 4 equals to 0.25. Now, because we are finding dx, we let x be on top and root 1 minus x cubed be below. This is the part you all need to take notice. Now, the limit is from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. And this is the understanding. From 0 to 1, there must be an increment of 0.25 for every detail. And thus, if you start with your 0, you plus 0.25, you add another 0.25, adding another, and lastly, you will reach your upper limit. So, after we derive values for x, we substitute them inside the actual equation. And we will actually get here 1, 0.9922, 0.9354, 0.7603, and the last one 0. Now, this all will actually be using the trapezoidal rule on your formula book page 21. You will see it as y0, y1, y2, y3, and y4. After we complete all these steps, we are now ready to find integration of root 1 minus x cubed dx. So, integration of limit 1, 0, root 1 minus x cubed dx is equals to h over 2 y0 plus y4 plus 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to, where h is 0.25, we substitute h with 0.25 divided by 2, y0 is 0.9922 plus 0 plus 2 times of 0.9354. So this equals to 0.25 divided by 2, where 0.25 is your h. Now, your y0 is 1, y4 is 0, plus 2 times of your y1, y2, and y3. And this you will get 0.7970. Now, remember that this is only an approximated value. Now, let us try the question. Integrate 30 bracket 1 plus x squared to the power 3 over 2 dx, where n is given 6. So, to find h, where h equals b minus a over n will give you 3 minus 0 divided by 6 to give you 0.5. Okay, now we know that it's our x and our function 1 plus x squared power 3 over 2. We must now try to achieve from 0 to 3 in increments of 0.5. And so 0 plus 0.5 is 0.5. Okay, so from 0.5 we add 0.5 to 1, add to 1.5, adding up becomes 2.0, 2.5, and we have achieved 3. Let me stress this again. From limit 0 to 3, we actually need in increments of 0.5. So in this case, this is justified. And now we put sub x into the equation to get the answers. 1, 1.4, 2.83, 5.86, 11.2, 19.5, and 31.6. And all this can also be represented as y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. So now we are ready to solve the integral. So integrate with limits 3, 0, bracket 1 plus x squared power 3 over 2 dx equals to h over 2 bracket y0 plus y6, where y0 is the first number and y6 is the last, plus 2 times of y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 equals to 0.5, which is the height, divided by 2, bracket 1 plus 31.6 plus 2 times of 1.4 plus 2.83 plus 5.86 plus 11.2 plus 19.5. And your answer will actually be 28.55. Note again that all these are not exact answers but approximately. We now come to an end of the trapezoidal rule function, and now my friend will talk about the synthesis rule. Thank you.